Hey guys, it's Tony. Quick TA update on DogeCoin. This isn't going to be a long video. We are about to break the 4-hour MACD. We did create a bottom on the stochastic. It is looking like we are headed towards the upside. We need to see how long this cross on the bullish side for the MACD is going to last, and then we can actually see the actual trajectory of like actually doing like a solid forecast. But I do think we are going to cross over in the next maybe 4 or 8 hours, which is what, maybe from now, maybe like by 10 o'clock or by like 2 o'clock in the morning. So I am hoping that by tomorrow morning when I wake up, it's still early, 6:30, right? But I am thinking that by tomorrow we are going to be higher than the 4 cent level at this point, because I do think we're crossing over on the bullish side. And usually when this happens for Doggy, we do end up rallying a little bit. Especially tomorrow on Monday, I do think a lot of people's money is going to clear to purchase, and then again on Wednesday, like midweek and end of the week, a lot of people's money is actually going to get cleared to start purchasing Doggy. So I think that'll actually help the rally even more so, right? But just wanted to inform you guys, Doggy is about to cross on the 4-hour MACD. I do think this is a really solid bullish sign. More than likely, it's going to happen within the next couple of hours. And then, I'll probably update you guys a little bit later, and we'll kind of see the momentum that Doggy has right now towards the upside. But I did buy the downside on the 2 cent level. You guys know that I bought another $5,000 worth. Currently, I think right now I'm up like 12 grand or something like that. I'll keep you guys posted. But good night. I'll see you guys later.